and welcome in Seema Lifestyle. Today I am making bread. It is everybody's favorite and it is very popular food, and today I am making very easy. We don't have to need it and we need very few ingredients for it. So let's see what we need for it. We need for it some chapati flour. I am going to use, it is wheat flour, gehu ka atta. It is normal which we use in our daily routine in kitchen, and some dry yeast and some warm water and little salt, little oil. That's it. So let's start. First we need 2 cup of wholemeal flour. Now it is 2nd cup, and then we have to I'm using some warm water. It is lukewarm water. It should not be very hot. And 2 teaspoon of dry yeast. We have to just sprinkle all over, and some sugar. It must be very fine. And we will leave it 5 minutes and to activate it. Our yeast is activated very nicely. It is very important. Now we are adding just little salt and mix it, and then yeast will go. Make a well, and then yeast will go all of it, and then we will just mix it. And we need some more water. Again warm water, just very lukewarm water, and always add water gradually, not all of it together, and keep. Now water is looking okay, so we have to just mix it properly. Keep scraping from all sides and from bottom. And now just add little bit oil. Now that's it, we have to do. We don't need any kneading. It is done now, and now I am wrapping it with cling film and keeping few hours in warm place. Our dough is proofed. You can see very nicely proofed. Now what I am doing, just mixing it one more time slightly. I don't need to do too much. As I am saying, we don't have to knead this bread, so it is okay. So now I will just have little dry atta or flour, chapati flour, and this dough will go on top of it. using tiny bit oil, just we don't want to stick on our cling film. And leaving this dough to prove again about 1 hour on somewhere nice place. Now we will see our bread dough is proved. Look at this, very nice, very beautiful. How beautiful it is looking. I am glazing it with some milk, just little bit milk on top. And now I will sprinkle some oats. It is just optional. If you want, you can. Otherwise, you can just bake like that. It is ready to go in oven. Already oven is preheated on 180. So I will bake it about 30 minutes. So it is going in oven. So let's see what is happening to our bread. I'm taking it out now. It smells very nice, very beautiful. I think it is done. So I will leave it on my rack about or maybe until it gets look at this, beautiful, looking good. I'm leaving it on my rack until it gets completely totally cool down, and then I will cut and serve. So guys, here we go, bread is ready. So you must try this bread, this recipe, so easy for you. And please, please, please share with your family, friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and like and share. So my bread is here. Now your turn to make your own bread. Bye till next time.